all the oh my god, I'm in focus. Wow, this looks amazing. Hi everyone, what is up? It's been a while since this happened. So today I have a very different video. I mean, I was planning this from quite a long time, but I did not get the chance to film it. All over the internet, basics is all over the place. What basic pieces you should have in your wardrobe, but nobody's really not talking about what after that, once you've invested in your basic pieces. Today's video is all about the not so basic pieces that you can invest in to upgrade your wardrobe. So shall we? Disclaimer here before we move forward: none of this is bought by me. It's all my parents' money, and I am quite aware of my privileges. These are just some things that my mom taught me, or I have learned over the years while shopping with her. Okay, so I have divided all the pieces that I own or I want to show you in different categories. There are 4 categories. Okay, so let's start with the first one. The first one that I have is lowers. Okay, so everybody knows that everybody has a blue denim jeans, a blue denim shorts, a black denim jeans, a black denim shorts, or whatever. And even denim skirts. Denim skirts are also very in right now. Everybody has one except me. Yeah, here are some options you can invest in once you are done investing in your basics. So the first one is leather, and by leather I mean, of course, faux leather, not real leather. And I have like 2 options for you guys, matlab 2 examples to show you. Of course, you don't need the exact same pieces. These are just for your inspiration. So the first one is a skirt from Forever 21. It's a faux leather. It's white in color. Now, I don't know, white is such a classic color when we talk about basics, like in heels or in jeans and everything. We always talk about black. We never really talk about white. White is as versatile as black. Oh, by the way, I will be uploading outfits on these very pieces on my Instagram straight for 3 or 4 days. I'll leave it in the description below, so make sure you follow me on Instagram. Yeah, so moving on to the second piece we have is, okay, I'm not in focus, shit. Second piece is a pair of black leather shorts. I used to wear these all the time and they used to fit me. Now leather bhi kharab ho chuka hai iska pura, but I'll still show you. This is how they look. I'll show you with which top I used to wear it baad mein. We always talk about having graphic tees and this and that, but we never talk about having graphic lowers. They exist, of course they do. So this skirt that I'm talking about, a graphic printed skirt. Max to max we wear graphic shorts, but skirts are so elegant. I did not know this till last year. It's this year that I've started wearing skirts. Matlab, I did start wearing skirts, and then we are all stuck in our pajamas in quarantine, but that's another story. So this is from Ginger. I got it from Lifestyle probably then.
Now the third kind of fabric that looks amazing for lowers, and again I have a skirt for it, is velvet. I just cannot at all explain how beautiful this fabric is, how beautiful this skirt is actually, and velvet in itself is so classic, it's so royal. So
finding a velvet lower, be it shorts, be it pants, be it a skirt, is such a steal. I also think that shimmery or glassy pants would do, like golden colored pants or silver colored pants or bronze colored pants. They look very classy and elegant too. Now the next category is tops. So for tops, look out for glossy pieces, you know what I mean, shimmery pieces. Like, okay, this is a bit spoiled, but I had to include it.
Like this one. I mean, I'm sorry for this, I don't know how this happened, but okay, I'll show you from the back.
You can make out how classy and how amazing this top looks. And this is the one which I used to wear with those black leather shorts all the time in 2017. The second piece I have is a solid color top, but it has a detailing on the sleeves. It has, these are bell sleeves, if I'm not wrong. Just correct me in the comments below if I am, okay? I think I've shown this in my Shoppers Top haul if I'm not wrong. This is from Latin Quarters. Yes, I guess I have. If we're talking about glossy tops, then I have another one. It's like a black top with silver lines on it. I don't know if you can make it out. It has like silver lines very close to each other, so it's kind of looking like grayish shimmer or something like that. Yeah, and this is from And, again from Lifestyle, I guess. So yeah, that's about the glossy wala 2-3 examples that I had to show you. Another fabric which is really pretty, which is really takes your outfit to the next level, is lace. Now this is a lace top from Ginger, I suppose. Yeah, it's from Ginger. It's just so pretty on its own. Like, I paired this up with this maroon skirt, and you just cannot imagine how pretty it looked. I also paired this up with a basic black pair of shorts. It looked amazing. You can style this in 100 different ways, I cannot even tell you. And plus it's in white color, so I guess it goes with any other color palette, be it maroon, black, blue, even white. White on white looks really cool. Okay, now coming to the dresses, I wanted to include this dress specifically in this video because this is not something that you will wear anywhere. This is a very special piece, and by special I mean कि, and you know dresses में ऐसा होता है कि although you can wear it कि हाँ भाई ड्रेस को एज अ स्कर्ट पहन लिया, ऊपर से कोई टॉप डाल के, या फिर ड्रेस को एज अ टॉप पहन लिया, नीचे से कोई लोअर डाल के, दैट्स फाइन. बट व्हेन यू वांट टू वेयर इट एज अ ड्रेस, तब आप सोचते हो कि यार एक बार ही पहने हैं. बट no, you should have that one dress which you wear multiple times and it still won't lose its charm, it still won't lose its elegance, right? So this is the one that I'm talking about. It's a purple sequin dress, and I saw a similar thing on Sherry Hill's Instagram page, so I got this stitched. It is out there, it's like in your face. If there is a special event you have to go to and you cannot figure out what to wear, or you cannot make any combination, just throw this on with a pair of black heels and you're done. You are literally done. You don't have to think any further. Coming to the add-ons, the first category for add-ons is scarves. Like this one I'm wearing right here. I'm just wearing a plain white tee with a scarf. But this is like a silk scarf. You can also wear scarves like these are like normal, I don't know ये कौन सा फैब्रिक होता है, बट ये मतलब हर जगह मिल जाते हैं अलग अलग प्रिंट्स में, and they're just so pretty. The second thing in add-ons category is shrugs. Now, you know, everybody has those basic hosiery ka shrug, like in black, blue and white and all those solid colors, but I'm not talking about those because this is the not so basic video. I'm talking about something that you might have already seen in my previous videos. It's a shrug, like it's a A-line, long, full length A-line shrug, and you can do so much with it. You can just wear it over a white t-shirt and jeans, and it just adds so much to your outfit. And you can, like I did in that video, it was a plain pink jumpsuit and I added this, and you had a brand new Indo-Western outfit, and I wore it for Rakhi last year, and it looked amazing. जो basic चीज़ें आपको बताई जाती है ज़रूरी नहीं है सिर्फ वो ही आपके लिए basic. So there are so many other options to explore, and I am I'm no fashion designer, I'm no person कि हाँ भाई I can advise you all, but it's just what I have learned from past years, and that's what I'm sharing with you people. So yeah, just wanted to put it out there. Yeah, I guess that's it for today's video, and as I said, I'll be uploading 3 days straight on Instagram, making outfits out of these very pieces. So make sure you follow me on Instagram, and also I've been very consistent since 1 month or 1.5 months or so. So yeah, I'm working on my Insta page, and also I've made an account on Twitter because people on Instagram kept telling me that I should open a meme page, but I just wasn't sure about handling one more Instagram account, so I made a Twitter account and I tweet memes basically every day, I guess. And also I have been featured in some amazing meme page, and I'm so thankful for that. So if you're a meme person, then follow me on Twitter as well, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.